I'm on the way to one of the most unique events on planet Earth. I'm not exaggerating. I don't think there is another place in the world that has this right now. Maybe one more place, I don't know. I'm gonna stop and show you what I mean. So it's exactly what it looks like. This is a kittel. And you're gonna see me going to a Pesach shiny cider. It is very weird walking around Bauer Park with a kittel and a strammel now. It's an ordinary day. So wie they sehen? Bist normal? What surprised me so much is the way everything was set up so amazingly nice. The place itself looked so beautiful, elegant, Yom Tovdik, mamish as if it's a real Seder Nacht. They had the kare, the karpas, the mur, the charoises, everything. The families walked in as if they're walking into some kind of wedding. Because they didn't have the celebration the first time right, there was such a big moment, like really getting a second chance over here. The energy level is something I cannot describe, and I don't think the camera can translate it. It was so enthusiastic, happy, exciting, full of hope. Especially when they did the minhag of Anitzak. It was such an emotional moment. One particular exciting moment was when the Mura put honey on it to resemble that we are sweetening the Mura right now. And also was a very exciting moment when my official gave out Toys for You gift cards for all the kids as a Afikoimon present. One of the highlights was when Aliyu Anubi walked in. A full-fledged costume, exciting, and picked up the energy to the next level. And then there was dancing into the night with the entire volunteer crew and in all the families together. Just an unbelievable event. Wow. What a beautiful event. The energy level in the room. These people could not celebrate the first Pesach like they're supposed to. They were in the hospital or for any other reason. And now they get a chance, they get a second chance at a normal Seder night that's beautiful. They could come here and celebrate Pesach like they're supposed to. Even better than the first time. Me, Ka'am Chu Yisrael.